Haulage truck overturns on KUTYA Road, spilling maize seed everywhere. The 6th of September 2025. By a correspondent, a haulage truck transporting maize seed overturned this morning on the KUTYA Road, spilling dozens of green-sealed bags across the roadside. The heavily laden vehicle veered off course and toppled onto its side, leaving the cargo strewn across dry grass. Witnesses rushed to assist the injured driver, who was later attended to by emergency services. No fatalities were reported. Police have cordoned off the area as recovery teams work to clear the wreckage and retrieve the spilled seed. Early reports suggest the truck may have been overloaded, contributing to the driver's loss of control. The incident has also disrupted supplies for farmers and traders who rely on timely delivery of seed. Beyond the immediate disruption, the accident underscores a larger economic concern. Zimbabwe loses an estimated $400 million to $406 million annually due to road traffic accidents, a toll that includes fatalities, injuries, hospitalizations, and the wider burden on families and the state.